Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good and hope you guys enjoyed the previous week's unboxing. So this week we are going to unbox the rest of the things cars came in this particular case. I think I have one or two more from previous case as well. Let me showcase you that. Okay, let me just start with this. So this is the 90 Honda Civic EF. I do remember I unboxed this sometime back, but in a different color. But I'm not sure. So I don't want to miss out something in case if I don't have that. So I bought this. I'm pretty sure I have this, but let's see how this one looks. Okay, so this is the next one, the Austin minivan. And someone was asking about this, the Audi 90 Quattro, and this looked really nice from outside, the detailing and all. But let's see how this one actually looks in hand. And my personal favorite in this one, the Plymouth Super, but I do love Plymouth a lot. And this one being a art car, I do remember unboxing this exact car long back when I started this channel. So I bought this in Muscat or Dubai. I do remember unboxing this. So this one being an Indian card, I just wanted to buy it and unbox it one more time, so I bought it. I'm not sure how many actually remember that unboxing video, so I just wanted to do it one more time. Okay, so again, my another personal favorite on this particular case. Okay, this one is my first personal favorite in this particular case. So Plymouth I do love, and I do have that as well, even before I bought this. So that being the second one. So this one being the first one in this case, because so this is a Honda Civic Custom. So this paint job looks absolutely beautiful. See, the red and blue always goes really well. You can see the Spider-Man there. I mean, obviously that's a hero's color. So even if you are a fan of Superman, or even who else? Okay, I'm not going to remember every hero. My personal favorite is always Spider-Man, and I mean, and I think the Superman movie is going to be getting released. So I just pointed that out as well. Okay, so last but not least, the hyped one, which is this. So the Ferrari F40 Competition, and this one looks really nice. It has all the details and all, as you can see. I do like the way they actually put actual plastic or acrylic for the headlights. So and it does feel a bit heavy. So let's see how this one looks. Okay, so with that said, guys, these are things we are going to unbox this weekend. So sorry, throughout the week, and as usual, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.